know man, I the girl them a war over me chan. When they use a cash up park, I war with Bainland. I know man, I the girl them a war over me chan. Can I say me cocky taller than a standing fan? You understand? I the girl them a war over me chan. All over the world, them a cry for me.
These tires is.
The girl them a war over.
Turn this down a little bit so we can talk. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. No big rush. As long as we got a little path, my tires are good. Come on, light change. It's almost time for you to change. Snow plow. Making its way. Come on. As I told y'all before, they gotta keep the main roads clear around the hospitals. It's not too bad out here, but actually it's slippery out here. Hope I don't eat my words. Words. And I haven't got a 4-wheel drive. I got a front end drive. No, front wheel drive. Sorry, front end. No, I got a rear wheel drive. Sorry. Rear wheel drive Maxima. No street parking van. On the corner of. Not on the corner yet. I'm on Seymour Street. No, I'm not on Seymour Street. I'm on Washington Street. Seymour is right ahead at the light. That's the cross street. I am on Jefferson. Not too bad out here. Glad I don't got far to travel though. Can't wait until I get to that hill so I can. It's taking so long. And that person getting on a bus, what are they doing? Get off the damn road. Another snowplow. Told you they don't play around here. Get down and get some of that. He getting down a little bit. He busting a U-turn. Look at the trees. Oh my God! Come on, who's crossing in front of the damn bus like that? Randy. Y'all know Randy? Randy lives right around the way. I don't know where he going. Make sure you turn on your lights when you're driving. Your headlights need to be on. When it's snowing outside, you got your windshield wipers on. Your headlights need to be on so people can see you. Turn on your headlights. It's about 7:45 a.m. Tuesday morning. The 13th. Shout out to my nephew, Boo. Birthday today, the big 40. The big 40. And you called it, boo, with your predictions on snow while you don't have parties and stuff. I don't blame you, because I think you planned one and that was a disaster. Not the party, the party that didn't happen, but oh, you don't get no light. What kind of mess was that? We ain't even get a light. Y'all saw that? No, we ain't getting no light. I'm missing my prank phone call this morning with nephew Tommy. Y'all see these lights changing, but they ain't giving it to us. Hope I ain't missing nothing. We can't make that mistake again. Oh, my bad. I didn't know I was holding up traffic like that. Come on, Maxima, you gotta pull it through. Through. Oh, and you see these, they put these big street lights up here now, these big street poles. Come on, hit this corner right. Hit this corner right. They put some big street lights up there. Big poles for the street lights. Man, I gotta make a little gap through here. Went past my stop. Okay, Stonington looks clear. Stonington looks clear. There's no sticking to them fences. That's crazy. But these stop signs about to get disrespected. I ain't stopping for man. Side streets not done. I ain't stopping for man. Stop sign. Anyway, I am out of here. I will holler at you guys later. Hopefully, if you're working home, that's a good thing. The roads aren't as bad as people are talking. I don't know about the highways. I don't do highways. But other than that, that's it. Get to your destination safe. Like little side streets ain't totally done. But anyway, I'm out of here. I will holler.